to our annual celebration of U.S. Independence Day and Philippine-American Friendship Day. My heartfelt appreciation to the Department of Foreign Affairs Chorale for their beautiful performance of our national anthems, and to the Armed Forces of the Philippines Band for joining us tonight. Thank you for devoting your time and talent to making our celebration so special. I'm also deeply grateful to our many sponsors whose generous support makes this evening possible, and to our Embassy July 4th Committee and the entire U.S. Embassy team, including and especially our USAID colleagues who have served with devotion. Thank you for all that you do. In the United States, the 4th of July is a time for family, food, fun, and fireworks, much like the vibrant barrio fiestas that showcase Filipino hospitality. But July 4 is also a moment to reflect on the values that define us: freedom, democracy, and pursuit of a better future. These are values common to the Philippines and the United States, forged through our rich history of shared sacrifice, made especially poignant this year as we mark the 80th anniversary of the end of World War II. We were honored in February when President Marcos and many of you joined us to observe the 80th anniversary of the liberation of Manila at the hallowed grounds of the Manila American Cemetery. And we look forward to honoring the Allied victory in Baguio this September. Today we celebrate our independence and the enduring bonds that unite us as steadfast friends, partners in prosperity, and ironclad allies who work every day to promote the vitally consequential U.S.-Philippine relationship. Our nations are bound by more than history. We are partners in forging a safe, strong, and prosperous future, defending freedom of navigation, fostering economic opportunity, promoting peace through strength, and advancing cybersecurity. In all of these endeavors, and many more, the United States is proud to stand shoulder to shoulder with the Philippines. Your contributions, your innovation, your insights, your friendship make our work stronger. Together, we're investing in progress. Last week in Washington, we announced funding for a major freight rail line linking Subic, Manila, and Batangas under the Luzon Economic Corridor Initiative, creating jobs and driving innovation in both of our countries. And we are working together to promote a free and open Indo-Pacific. Since this time last year, the United States has substantially increased support for the Philippines' military modernization. We continue to invest in infrastructure, build capabilities, and enhance interoperability, including through Balakatan and other military exercises that have grown in complexity and size. As a result, our alliance is stronger than ever. Our meaningful people-to-people ties remain the foundation of every single thing that we do together. The U.S.-Philippine relationship is enhanced by more than 4 million Filipinos and Filipino Americans living in the United States, and more than 750,000 Americans who reside right here in the Philippines. We are more than friends, partners, and allies. We are family. As we mark Independence Day, we renew our commitment to our shared ideals. So tonight, I raise a glass to the values that unite us, the future we'll shape together, and the enduring promise of the 4th of July and Philippine-American Friendship Day. Maraming salamat at mabuhay. Thank you very much.